Howdy folks, Jeff here, and I just want to show you what's going on in the shop today. As you can see, I'm leaning over the front of a pickup truck here, and so I'm on my elevator. This is the creeper from Nomad, one of my top 10 favorite tools. And you can see why I like it is because, see, it's not pressing on any of the vehicle here, and I'm able to lay over here and I have my hands free supporting me. And so what happened was we had this vehicle come in and it wasn't charging. And so upon further inspection, you can see right here that there's no belt on it. And if we look right here, this is the water pump. And you see the shaft is wobbling, so it's got a bad water pump. That's what threw the belt off. And so we have our Aircat long reach air ratchet here. Just like that, we're able to reach down in there, in between the holes on the front of this water pump, and grab the bolts that hold this on and take them off. And so this makes it real handy. So I just wanted to show you what's going on in the shop today. So we'll replace this water pump, get this back on the road. As always, I appreciate you watching.